Hi everyone! This is my first meal. Ayan, for the day, I have this achara kasi nag-intermittent fasting ako. Paminsan-minsan, not really every day. And I have this papaya and ripe mango. Ayan. So organic itong aking papaya. And I have fried chicken. Ayan, 2 piraso. And konting rice. Yan ang aking pagkain ngayon. Ayun, since this is my first heavy meal, ito na yung hanggang hapunan ko. So, mamaya, pag during the time nagugutumin ako yan, mayroon akong organic saging naman dito sa bahay. And I have this, pinag-prepare ako ng juice kasi mainit, sobrang init. So, that would be my meal for today. Heavy talaga siya, 'di ba? But I used to eat one heavy meal a day. Ayan. And the rest, ayan, steam gulay na lang siya. Ganun ang ginagawa ko, or ulam na lang. So, I hope it helps. Keep safe everyone. Thank you so much.